Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yep, you know me as the van guy, and what would you think I have for you today? A van just arrived, 2021 Roadtrek SRT. Very nice unit on the Dodge chassis, front wheel drive, 10-foot tire turning radius. It's got power mirrors top and bottom, and you push a button, they fold in. So if you're parked in a tight spot, you don't have to worry about somebody damaging them. Does have the electric steps when you open and close the doors, so you got to watch your shins because you might forget. Come on inside. So this 22-foot model has got a couch in the back that makes it into twin beds. We can also take the boards and fill in here, slide the cushions together, and then we got a queen size bed. But we're going on a trip and we got people to take with us. We're gonna take the bed, put it back into a couch. It's got 3 seat belts in the back, shoulder over here on both sides. The middle is a lap belt, but heck, you're facing forward at least. Let's start up in this area here. Here's your solar charger, tire inflator, owner's manuals, everything that you would need to operate the van. You got lights up above, that's what these little boxes are, but you got nice LED lights down there. These are all positive, so when you go down the road, you don't have to worry about things falling out. It's got a nice rear screen, which we'll see it outside. Windows open up, so it's got a privacy screen or a bug screen. You can slide them either way, depending on if you're late at night watching TV, wanting to go to bed. Good storage up on top, air conditioner. This is where your TV plugs in, 12 volt, 110, your hookup for your cable. This is your closet. The table leg's in here, and it's got 2 nice little pillows. We're gonna just keep on this side. We're gonna go in the kitchen. Of course, a little microwave. It's just barely big enough for a little microwave. Induction cooktop. This is so neat. Take a metallic pot, put it on there, and it's warmed up or it's cooled down. It works really fast. It's very efficient. Sink. Shelves down below, 110 outlet, and they worked all around the plumbing to make sure you've got good shelf space. Furnace is right here, propane detector down below. This unit though, all the Zions have this monster drawer and the pull-out pantry. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff in there, very efficient. You can get to it really easy. It's not stuck back behind something. Freezer up on top, refrigerator. Now this is your travel lock. This would be down through this hole to make it so it doesn't vibrate going down the road, but to utilize it, we're gonna open it up. You take a look in here, you'll notice the only seam I see is just around the sink, so there's less maintenance for you until you get down below. Place for soaps and all that, and you can pull up that switch there to make the faucet work, or the lower one. Fantastic fan above my head. Storage up above the cab area. Great vision in this unit. You've got such a nice view as you go down the road. It's like you could look right down in front of you. Automatic transmission, gas engine, about 15 miles per gallon. It's got a new control panel. I believe it's by Firefly. Come on in here and take a look at that. That's pretty cool. It's got all the different sections. We're on the lighting section here, which is this one. We can go down here, and you can go through everything. It's real easy. It's all touch screen. It's wonderful. We're going to pop outside. This has got 2 lithium batteries. As I mentioned, awning up on top. These all slide in. Now the awning comes out from a few inches out to 8 feet. It does have arms that can come down here and attach to the side of the body to give you a little bit more stability in case the wind happens to come up. If this is not on the leeward side, you want to be real careful about putting awnings up or they'll get blown over the top. This is where you really need to pay attention when you open this door up, if you get what I'm saying, because that could pop you. And I have done it. Here's your table leg. Privacy screens are inside, a jack. Of course, again, your 3 seat belts with a lap. And here's your privacy screen in the back. So I wanted to roll it down so you can see that you could zip it closed here. Unzip it here. And you've got storage pockets here. Very versatile, does many things, and it's a nice blackout. You can exit the unit through these doors here. Has a receiver hitch, has wiring for a very lightweight, or you already have a bike rack so you don't need to put one of those in the receiver. Backup camera's right up there. There's your TV antenna, so you don't have to crank it up or down. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. This is your dump station. Easy to get to. Your handle's right here. I don't have a key for that little area there. Combi water and furnace system. Furnace, intake and exhaust. So this is just a, this is just a water heater. They have a separate furnace inside, propane. So it's not a combi. This is just strictly for water. Gasoline, regular gas. And again, nice little entry there. If you have any questions on this product, well, sure, you'd call the van guy. And you can call me direct. You don't have to go through the operator. 541-554-9581. Go to my Facebook page, The Van Guy. Shoot me an email. Come on, I want to talk with you. Thanks for your time.